Hello everybody, welcome to Family Crafting and More. Today I'm going to show you real quick how to do the doors for your dioramas and also hinges. So real quick, show you the door that I made. So it's got a glass, it's actually plastic, and the hinges actually work. You can actually turn them. Or not hinges, doorknob. That's not hinge. Okay. All right. So what I did with that door. Okay. So a piece of wood. I cut it out. So I poke the holes through here first, bigger holes. Then I use the jigsaw and cut it. And then just cut these sides too. And then I'm using the, I don't know what you call that, but one of those plastics that you can put the paper and stuff. So you slide in, and then you can do some hot glue, just a little bit at the edges. And then you can do like different ideas. You can do like a frame. You can do a frame around like that. Or you can do, so these sticks are the coffee sticks. Or what I did with this door, like that, and then like all the way around, and then it'll hide this imperfection right here because it's not, as you can see, it's not like a nice cut, so this will hide it and make it perfect. So as you can see, so I did what I'm showing you right now with this door. Then you can also make it like this. And with this, I just use the metal right here. Just run it through, and then bent it. Okay, so now the hinges. So I have a couple of things that you can do with the hinges. So you can either, you can see, I put the same wiring. I put it through, drill a little bit of a hole, pre-drill a little bit, and then put the same glue, put a little bit dab of super glue, and I put it in. And then you can use the stuff that goes in the wall. We put the screws in. And you can just put it like that. And then you third, so you can open the door. Actually, I did one diorama for my nephew, and this is what I used, and it opens perfectly. Or another one. Let's see. I put it right here. You can make your own real hinges. So you can actually open. So that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna make that door open. So for that, okay, so this is what I use. Use the wall patch galvanized steel. So this, it comes 6x6, but I cut it in piece. And actually this netting too, you can do the netting for the fence. So this metal, so that's what I use to make it. And I already pre-cut. You can see these couple of pieces. So this one looks like a T, this one kind of looks like a U, but square. So they'll come together. Now usually I trim a little more, make it a little bit smaller. But so what I also use is a paper clip. So you would like bend it. Okay, let's see. So you would bend it both sides. So I'm just gonna do real quick. I'm not gonna be like precise or anything, just to show you, get an idea. And I do that, and I pinch it. Pinch this side. See, twist. And I would actually make this. Camera's not really zooming in or concentrating. Okay, so kind of like that. Alright, so like I said, I'm just gonna do it real quick. Same with this one. Bend that. Yeah, and then bend this. Okay, so this is real quick, and then I would just run the paper clip through. Okay. I just want to go through. Maybe it's not. I see. Okay, this is very small, so it's very delicate. It's kind of tough, but I'm just trying to hurry up on the video. Okay, take it all the way through. Okay, there we go. So this is just a rough, and then I would just drill a couple of holes here. And actually, to cut this, I used scissors. So it's pretty strong. And then when I do that, the tip, so like the nail that goes through the paper clip, I just kind of bent it a little bit so it doesn't come out, and if it's too big, I kind of cut it off. So, and then, you know, after you take your time and everything, that's what it looks like. So when you be able to open the door and close the door nicely. Let's see. Also for the doors, you can use the nail for the doorknob. You can put it like that. And painting, you can do a lot of stuff. And real quick, so for the door handle, this one, I use this, whatchamacallit, the wiring to put on the wall to hold the wires. And you just cut it and shape it. Okay, thanks everybody for watching.